So I've been using this Samsung T7 4TB Portable SSD for a few months now, and it's become one of my go-to pieces of gear for storing and editing footage while traveling full-time in my van. I'm constantly moving large 4K video files, drone clips, photo projects, and this thing has handled every one of them without a hiccup. It's small, lightweight, and built with a really solid aluminum casing that feels durable enough to take pretty much anywhere. I've had it bouncing around in my camera bag on rough back roads, and it's never skipped a beat or overheated. The transfer speeds are super fast as well, around 1,000 megabytes per second, so even large files move very quickly. I can edit straight from the drive without any lag, which has been a total game changer for my workflow. The USB-C connection works perfectly with my MacBook and all of my cameras, and I really like that it came with both a USB-C to C and a USB-C to A cable. It's completely plug and play and stays cool even after long editing sessions. If you're a creator, traveler, or just someone who wants a really solid external hard drive that's fast and dependable, the Samsung T7 is an awesome choice. It's compact, it's tough, and it keeps up no matter where you take it. I would highly recommend it.
As always, you can find an affiliate link in the description below if you want to check this product out yourself.